I want them to know that we always have their back. I want them to feel safe, and I want them to know that we're going to do everything we can to win for them, because that's what we're about. Whenever you're going through a catastrophe or an injury like that, you need somebody on your side, and not only somebody that's going to go out there and win for you, but also cares for you as a person, because no amount of money can replace you as a human being. No amount of money can replace your loved ones. We want to make sure that they're 100% recovered, not only financially, but be able to live with whatever it is that they have to deal with. And that could include losing someone, losing a limb, or having to deal with a chronic pain for the rest of your life.
When a client walks in the door, I want them to know that this firm has honesty and it has integrity. I've been a prosecutor. I've worked on the defense side of this. I'm going to be honest with you about what your case is worth, what we're going to go after for you. And then once we figure out what we can do, we are going to go after it with everything in us. I was a prosecutor. I was a domestic violence prosecutor. And that was one of my biggest roles. It wasn't just fighting for justice, but I worked with victims every day, and it was holding their hand. It was making them comfortable. It was making them trust me and know that, I was there for them. I was in their corner. I was going to fight for them every day. Success means sometimes that this person knows that they can pick up where their life was before this accident and do all the things that they intended to do before they were sidelined by an injury. Well, one of my biggest things that I like to do is I analyze the case from top to bottom, from the very get-go, and I'm honest upfront with my clients from the beginning. Here's what we can do, here's what we're going to do, and here's how we're going to get it. A lot of our clients, when they come in, they've been injured. They are not living the lives that they used to have. They want to get back to where they were before something happened to them. And an attorney has the ability to give them hope. We have the ability to show them that there's light at the end of the tunnel. They just need that hope. And that hope itself can oftentimes help them overcome how they're feeling and get to the next day before we actually get to the end of their case.
We know every single one of our clients, and we know all their stories. Really, for us, it was the people who have been seriously injured by the negligence of others, and especially representing the families of those who maybe have perished or have lost their lives in a tragic accident involving somebody else's negligence. We are relentless and zealous in telling our clients stories and in seeking justice for their families and for those who have been injured because of somebody else's negligence. That's the number one thing that we do here. The number two thing that we do here is it's important for our clients to understand that they're like a member of our own family. So when we represent them, we want to know everything about them, and we want to be able to tell their story and help them to seek justice and recovery financially for the things that have happened to them and the injuries that they've sustained. The big thing for us is we just go to work and we work hard. And it's a tragedy. It's a loss. And what the people need more than anything is care, compassion, and again, somebody who's going to be there with them every step of the way. And that's who we are. Listen, you need to go call Houston Injury Lawyers because they're going to be with you every step of the way. We treat our clients with dignity. We treat our clients with respect in difficult times.